Boho style is characterized by a relaxed, bohemian aesthetic that blends elements of vintage, folk, and ethnic influences. If you love boho fashion, you know that it's all about mixing and matching different pieces to create a unique, eclectic look. Start with the basics. Boho style is all about layering, so it's important to have a few key pieces in your wardrobe to build on. Look for loose, flowy tops and dresses in natural fabrics like cotton, linen, and silk. Pair them with comfortable, relaxed-fit bottoms like wide-leg trousers, bell-bottoms, or maxi skirts. Mix and match patterns and textures. One of the key elements of boho style is the mix-and-match approach to patterns and textures. Don't be afraid to mix florals with stripes, paisley with polka dots, or lace with denim. The more eclectic, the better. Accessorize with jewelry and scarves. Boho style is all about the details, so don't forget to accessorize. Layer on multiple necklaces, bangles, and rings, and add a statement piece like a boho-inspired headband or a wide-brimmed hat. Scarves are also a great way to add color and interest to your look. Try tying one around your neck or using it as a belt. Incorporate ethnic and folk elements. Boho style often incorporates elements of ethnic and folk fashion, so don't be afraid to mix in pieces like embroidered tunics, ethnic-inspired jewelry, woven bags. These types of items can add a touch of global flair to your boho outfits. Experiment with different footwear. Boho style is all about being comfortable and casual, so feel free to mix and match different types of footwear. Sandals, boots, and sneakers can all work well with boho outfits, depending on the look you're going for. Play with proportions. Boho style is all about breaking the rules and having fun with fashion. Don't be afraid to play with different proportions, such as pairing an oversized top with skinny jeans or a mini skirt with a chunky sweater. Have fun and be yourself. Above all, boho style is about expressing your individuality and personal style. Don't be afraid to mix and match different pieces and have fun with your outfits. The most important thing is to feel comfortable and confident in what you're wearing. With these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of boho style. Mix and match different pieces to create unique, eclectic looks that reflect your personal style and personality. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with your outfits. That's what boho style is all about.